people of Tanay from Bear and Beet Benavides. Okay, mula sa ASAP, thank you sa inyong lahat para suporta. Go, go, go lang tayo guys kasi meron tayong bagong kabarkada.
Go, go, go ng lahat para sa bagong teen show ng bayan. Ito na ang Go Kada, Joem, Eda, Mateo, Kim, and Gerald!
Unsuspecting the way you crossed my mind. Who could have known you'd be so real?
But unrelenting, the grip that lips around you, give me a sign so I can rescue you
And save the day. Bring in the rain, bring in the shine. Let it go, stop wasting time. I'm calling out to you.
Don't chase the sun, don't race the sky. Let it go, stop wasting time.
And I'm calling out to you. I'm calling out to you.
Fascinating how moments feel sublime. Seems like I'm glowing when you're near.
But unavailing when you pay no mind, or you're twisting every other line. Baby, say the words, I'll rescue you and make you mine. Bring in the rain, bring in the shine. Let it go, stop wasting time. And I'm calling out to you.
Don't chase the sun, don't race the sky. Let it go, stop wasting time.
And I'm calling out to you. I'm calling out to you. Bring in the rain, bring in the shine. Let it go, start wasting time. I'm calling out to you.
I'm calling out to you.
Don't chase the sun, don't race the sky. Let it go, stop wasting time. And I'm calling out to you. I'm calling out to you.
Yes, Go Kada!
Alright, Go Kada, can you come over here please? Hurry up guys, because people are excited to hear about your new show. Alright, welcome to ASAP, the newest and the hippest, pinakabagong barkada, ang Go Kada. Guys, would you like to tell us more about this?
Go Kada Go, it's on June 2 na po. Yan. Abangan niyo po yan. Kasi ang ibig sabihin ng Go Kada Go ay barkada on the go. So, promise ko
Barkadang go na go!
Yeah,
Kaya
mag-enjoy
manood
kayo.
na.
Ganyan kataas ang energy. At si Mateo, eto, si Mateo.
Hi,
Welcome to ASAP. Lagi kita nakikita sa commercials eh. Pero ngayon lang kita makita sa isang TV series.
Yeah.
How does it feel to act for the first time?
It feels great. The people are great. Directors are great. ABS-CBN is great. And Go Kada is the best, I guess. Thank you so much for having me.
Particle, you should work with me because I'm great. Okay. And Joanne and Eda, would you like to invite them para sa Go Kada? Abangan niyo po.
Ayan,
Please do watch Go Kada Go June 2 na po.
makigulo po kayo sa amin sa June 2 na. Go Kada Go.
Yes.
June 2.
Yan, thank you so
Alright.
much, guys. Nagbabalik po ang ASAP.
po.
7!
Hindi pa tapos ang party dahil